So I am in my bathroom trying to do my baby's hair. I purposely let my hair get messed up like this because I want to take it out already. So yeah, I'm going to leave it in just for one more day because I'm about to go to the gym right now, run some errands, and I'm gonna leave it in just for one more day. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? This is my channel where I vlog my lifestyles, fashion hauls, girl chit chat or chit chat and period. And I do multiple things. I'm very talented, so go on ahead and hit that subscribe button. But yeah, so I'm in the bathroom doing my edges. It's just gonna have to stay like this. I don't really want to do too much anyway. But I'm about to go out right now and go check. Well, yeah, go to the gym first. Then I'm gonna go check my P.O box. And yeah, that's about it. What is this white stuff? Oh Jesus, yeah, this gotta come out. But yeah, that's what I'm about to go do right now. And I gotta spray this because my hair looks so dry in between. And yeah, that's much better. But yeah, so I'm about to go right now and do all of that, and I'm gonna take y'all with me today. So let's go. Haven't came here in a while, and look at all the stuff inside of here. So it's time for me to get on the move and start working. So I am home, y'all. It was a busy day. I just want to show y'all this package that I have received right here. I cannot pronounce their name. I'm going to leave all their information on the screen. But I took it out the package already, and it is a lingerie. So let me get the information right here. So it is a bodysuit, sexy lingerie set. Is fishnet, is baby doll 2-piece. So this is it right here, which I believe this will be the panties. Whoa. Like, this is the panties, I believe. And then this is the top, I believe, because I see the long sleeve right here. I'm going to try it on, and we're going to see what is given and what is it. But definitely sexy, definitely cute. You cannot go wrong with black. So we're going to see what this exactly is. And yeah, And the next package, I think it's from the same company actually. So we're gonna see which one is this one. So thank you for sending me this lingerie. It's definitely sexy. I really, really like it. And they do have a company on Amazon. So I'm gonna leave all the information down below. So if you're interested in their lingerie and the different items that they have on their site, you should go check it out. But you know your girl's gonna put you on. So this is another lingerie. It is black. It comes in this bag right here. So we're going to open it up. I believe it has information on it. So let me see if it has a paper. Yes, it does have a paper. And this one is fishnet stockings. And it says thigh high. So we're going to see what that's about. I love the thigh high stockings because you can wear that with some shorts. Like with some shorts over it and stuff. So yes, we're going to see right now. Okay, yes, this is some fishnet thigh-high stockings. Here is the top part when you put it on, and then you have your fishnet, which it has the line right here. It is not open toe, but it's very stretchy, and I believe it's one size fit all. I'm going to put the information to these down below as well. So this is what they sent me. It's super duper cute. So this is the second item that they had sent me, which is these nice stockings. So y'all, I am attempting to do my makeup real quick so I could take this photo and get back on track with posting photos on my Instagram. If you do not know my Instagram, it is the real Koko Glow. Go follow me, go support my pictures, my videos, everything. So that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, we just gonna vibe out and do that. Take this photo. And I'm taking these braids out because they get on my nerve. They definitely get on my nerve. So your girl is working magic right now. My son and my husband, they went out. I don't know where he took them. I'm asking him where they went. I'm so nosy though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm very, very nosy. So, so if you try to surprise me, you might as well just don't tell me nothing. Don't give me no hints. Don't act weird around me. Don't do it because I'm gonna ask 1 million questions. So that's what I'm doing right now. Is getting my face prepared. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. And, you know, we gonna vibe out and we gonna do this makeup, okay? I'm always missing products, I swear I am. But, so we're gonna use this Pro Concealer, but under my eye. So I'm going to wear these boots, my 9 West boots right here. And then I bought this dress right here, which is very, very cute. And I'm going to wear this. I bought this from Mad Rag Don't get on my Snoopy blankets, but I'm going to change my blankets and everything right now. I'm a big kid, so I still get like cartoon figure sheets and stuff. But anyway, we're gonna go back to this dress. So I got this dress from Mad Rag.
I be so bold myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary to make you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no static with you, you know you my plug. And I can't shake the tab, and no I've been out, baby. I've been reminiscing. Baby, you're my